You're telling me it's an adverse effect of the medication that you're peeling your face. I'm not going to talk to you about this. We'll put you in back if you want. I can give you a new lawyer today.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
This one here, let's see. Why does this continue to happen? The peeling.
Segment has adverse effects on my body.
How many times have you switched medications?
Been on medication since I was 12 or 13.
No. Now, how many times have you switched your medications? You're telling me it's an adverse effect of the medication that you're peeling your face.
Oh, peeling my face? No, that's I missed part. It's Rocky Mountain spotted fever.
It's what?
Rocky Mountain spotted fever.
So, Your Honor, he's diagnosed with schizophrenia. Of all defendants, there are active symptoms of these disorders. There's a delusion that he has some kind of parasites in their skin. We've hospitalized him with an NPC. That NPC uses medication. They do prescribe medication. He comes back, uses to take the medication, continues to scratch, gets blood all over the place. Other clients are complaining. Using a program continually tells me I don't want to be in the program, nothing wrong with me, I don't feel anything about it.
They consider it a delusion. This is an actual medical condition, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and they want to call it a delusion. But
If you take the medication, things will start going well.
This for mental conditions, for the schizophrenia. That has nothing to do with the actual medical condition. They're denying any medical, anything medical to do with this. They want to make it out like it's all mental.
Mr. Akers.
It was the problem I was having when I come in here and you're standing up there, you wouldn't let me speak, and you say you're rotting.
I'm trying to prevent you from killing yourself. You're doing it slowly. And I've seen the deterioration that has happened in the last 2 years that you've been with me. And it's not going well. All they're trying to do is help you. And by taking the medication, that's what's going to happen. When you don't, that's when everything starts happening again.
That has nothing to do with the medical part of it. I've been on social security disability.
Okay. How do we get you to take the medication?
I don't have to take it. He lost two. I left my ex-wife. I left Missouri. I lost 200 pounds, and I've lived my best life since I've been off the medication. I told the lawyer before I went there, I said I'll do fine if they don't try to force me to take medication. I went there. The psychologist said, I'll give you a sleeping pill, melatonin, PRN. That's all he gave me. And the nurses, they bulldogged me until they kept bringing me back in front of the psychologist, making stuff up until they were prescribing me. They sent me to the hospital twice. I come back from the hospital with no medication. I got back. The nurses bulldogged.
He's on probation right now, right? If you are not in compliance with your probation, then it's very possible a motion to revoke gets filed.
That's fine with me. I'd rather just do my time.
So let's do this. Take a seat for me. I'm going to appoint your lawyer. I need to appoint a lawyer. I don't know yet. Let me. You know, there is an adage, a saying that goes, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't force him to drink. This is exactly what's going on here. I've been trying to get you help and you just refuse to take it. But what's going on now and what they're alleging, how you're, I guess, are you saying he's peeling his face and putting blood on places? That's just unacceptable. And all we want to do is prevent you from killing yourself. When you come in here with new cases, I see the way you are, and it's not good. And I mean, who am I to try to help you if you don't want to help yourself? So if you want me to cut you loose today, I'm going to do it. But you can only treat your body this way for so long before your body just explodes on itself. It's just a matter of time. I don't want you to say anything. I want you to think, because the idea is that you get help in whichever way that you can, because the way that you're treating your body, it's going to come back on you. You can't live like this forever. You get older and your body worsens with age. It doesn't get better. When you get out there and you're out there in the free world, think before you act. Think before you speak, because every time you come here with a new case, it's not going to go well. If you ever want help, all you have to do is come back and I will get you whatever you need. If you want a cell phone, if you want a tablet, if you need medication, whatever you may need. But living the way that you are, you start using dope on top of it, your meth or whatever it may be, all you're doing is making things so much worse. If you don't want the help, I'll just cut you loose today. Just tell me what you want. You're old enough to make your own decisions, and I will do whatever you want. But if you don't want it, I'm not going to force it on you.
I'd like to go. The horse, you lead it to the water, but you can't make it drink. It comes from running a horse so hard that once you get it to water, it's too tired to drink water to save its life. I understand what you're saying.
It's always a way, Mr. Akers.
Lesson learned.
Actions speak louder than words. So we will see. I'll cut you loose today if you want it, but you come back, it's really not going to go well. Do you understand?
Understood.
Okay. So you let me know whatever you guys want to do. If he wants to unsat term, I'll do it today. And then, yeah. So I'll let you speak with counsel. You let me know what you want to do.
Thank you, Judge. How do you feel?
For Blake Jenkins.
Okay.
And Judge, I showed up and he is wanting me off the case. He wants a new attorney.
Jenkins, come up, please. You have Gibson, huh, Sean? We'll do that next.
I think I've got Jackson. Yeah, Jackson.
Hey, no talking. Picking up, why don't we get some out and start signing conditions, we can get them out.
We're waiting on bond conditions.
All right, let's get them out.
Judge, this is Jenkins on page 14 and 15.
Signing conditions so we can get some people out of here, please.
You can sign those remote scripts.
I did. Okay, so why are we here on Mr. Jenkins? What happened?
Yes, there was, he was on bond and there's a new offense. So we're here for an arraignment. And then,
So he's on bond for 2 cases. He's now picked up a 3rd case. Is this right?
that's correct. Yes.
Mr. Jenkins, you now stand charged with the offense of reckless driving. You are facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
Yes, Judge. On January 12, 2025 at 6:26 p.m., the officer observed the defendant's vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed on a feeder road without headlights on. The officer checked the speedometer and it read 80 miles per hour while the defendant's vehicle was traveling faster. This occurred in a 50 mile per hour zone. The officer observed the defendant's vehicle make an unsafe lane change, cutting off a motor vehicle and reaching a speed of 106 miles per hour with moderate to heavy traffic. The officer observed another unsafe lane change while attempting to catch up to the defendant's vehicle. A traffic stop was initiated and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the vehicle.
Mr. Jenkins, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Does he have a valid Texas
Yeah,
driver?
yeah, eligible.
I'm now revoking your bond on the other two cases. You will go into custody with me because you picked up a third case, sir. Goes with you.
Judge, he also is wanting me off the case. So I didn't know if we wanted to
I
address that.
wanted to have a.
I'm not going to talk to you about this case. You have a lawyer.
I
You need to talk to the
wanted to talk
lawyer.
about my two cases before that, sir.
I'm not going to talk to you about this. We'll put you in back if you want. I can give you a new lawyer today.
Okay, anybody?
I'll give you a lawyer, another. If you want to get off, and I'll provide you another lawyer. It's the third case. Unacceptable.
Damiento.
So we'll take you off and we can appoint another
Thanks
lawyer
for
in all three.
watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.